footage. Kevin just done the dronage. Yeah? Kevin and Damo.
Just going through showing everybody online on our TikTok videos at Nigel's band, at Nigel Edwards, 1974.
No, it's Nigel, 1974.
Terrible. We're just going through showing some of the pools that we've got here at Unity.
Where are you going?
Guys, this is brilliant. Look at this pool.
That's amazing.
It's absolutely stunning. It's 4 foot deep all the way.
Is it?
Yeah, it's one level all the way. They do swimming lessons down here for children need assistance in the swimming. There's a kiddies pool down there as well.
Show me the kiddies pool and the
I
slides.
think it's about 18 inches deep. It's only about so deep. We've got some flumes down this end as well.
Got disco flume, haven't they?
Yeah, it lights up.
I think it's incredible, mate. So this is Somerset, Unity Beach, yeah? Oh look, they got mowers to clean the pool.
Working non-stop now.
That's like an Olympic-sized pool, Demo. Incredible.
This is where you drop into when you do the flume. When you do that disco flume, this is what you drop into.
Well, you come down here.
And then you have to go up these steps here.
Hang on.
Go up these steps here to get into the flume. You start up there, you do a few somersaults, a few rugby on a hill skelter.
This one lights up at night, doesn't it?
Yeah, flume stuff.
Wow. And that's the kiddies pool?
Kiddies pool. It's only about 18 inches deep, but it's ideal.
Could you fit? Could you fit in there?
Just. If I get in there, they call Greenpeace.
Join the club. What a beautiful facility here, mate.
And it's free to use. We don't charge them to come in and use this.
No.
Our customers.
The owners can come in, yeah?
Yeah. Free to go and use. I think there's a gym upstairs as well, which is free for them to use as well.
Gym's free.
Yeah.
Soft play up there. There's a coffee shop. There's everything. And then you've got the outdoor pool, which actually will be open in the next couple of weeks, yeah?
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, I know they
show them out here, mate.
Like this is...
It's hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a heat wave coming, you know that?
Right, so this is in the process of being cleaned. You can see all the cleaning stuff out here. This should be up and running and ready in about another 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, Mayday, innit?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. What a facility. And there's a coffee shop down there, so if you want the kids to... if you want to have a coffee and cakes, there's everything, yeah. Hey, say hello to my mate. Hello.
That's Ralph.
Ralph, ask them to subscribe. Can you subscribe, please? Ralph's asking. Look at that. Do you want to... should we show them the indoor bit as we here?
Yeah, we might as well if we're here.
Because the indoor bit is open now, so it's open to the general public and it's open to all our owners. So they get owner swim times and special times to come in, and if they want any information, pop into reception and the guys will help you, okay? But you've got these slides here that come down, these are bigger slides. So kids are going to love that.
This is the indoor splash zone that you're going through now.
Oh, there's Kevin. Are you going to fly it? Does he want a hand put the cover on after? Right, guys, this is going to take you into the indoor bit.
From this side.
Make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to do the gym after, guys, on my TikTok, Nigel 1974. Wow. Wow, mate, this is nice.
Beautiful.
Hot in here, mine.
Yeah, very hot.
It flickers a bit with the light, sorry. Look at that, the kids will love this. Look at that. Unity Beach, guys.
So this is only 40 centimetres deep.
Sorry?
40 centimetres deep, 400 millimetres.
And they can watch off the balcony as well, can't they?
There where you can sit and watch if the grandparents want to watch the younger ones.
It's dirty because it's getting all clean, my friend. We're working on it in a minute. Unity Beach in Somerset. So at the minute it'll be open in a week. Hey, look at that. Hey, go on, Damo. Unity Beach in Somerset, guys. Unity Beach, tell them where we are.
Down at Unity Beach in Green, which is just up the road from Burnham-on-Sea.
Look at that.
The postcode is TA8 2RB.
Make sure you're following, guys. Subscribe up. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Beautiful. Coffee shop in there as well. Grab a coffee. Get yourself down here. Wow.
I'm sorry, I'm having a bit of fun there.
That's good, isn't it? And this is all free to the owners.
All free.
Comes with your site fees.
Yeah, all free. You have to book it up, obviously, because we've got quite a few islands down here. But just book it up, put your hour slot or hour and a half slot, whatever it is.
Emma said she lives in Taunton. Make sure you come over, Emma. It's Olympic-sized swimming pool.
In Taunton, that's not far, is it?
Taunton, I go there. My day off quite a lot. I like Taunton. There you go.
If you find you've got a birthday, you can hire this out.
Can you?
Yeah. Hire the stuff down, it's beautifully for your party.
Wow, that's amazing. And there's rooms upstairs to hire out.
Yes, yeah, you've got a party room up there.
Show them as well. Guys, what a fantastic facility. So we're working on this. It won't be open until next week, okay? It's about a week, 10 days. It's hot in there, I'm sweating.